Right, so this short video is for my viewer and subscriber who wanted to know whether it was soft to walk on the grass. So, yep, it feels lovely. Couldn't tell you the name of this grass because I remember it was sourced to me by the gardener who I'm no longer in contact with, but yeah, it feels good under my feet. I don't know what this is, but I'm gonna find out. If it's weed, I'll pluck it out. If not, I'll transplant it somewhere else. Right, so I hope that answers your question. Anyone able to tell me what these are? Is this just weed or is it something? I think sometimes because when the wind blows, things get pollinated and then start sprouting up anywhere. But yeah, not sure what this is. But yeah, if anyone that can answer my question, do let me know. Thank you. Guys, look at this dead dragonfly. I'm guessing it's dead because it's not moving. The wingspan, like in the sun, glistening in the sun, it looks really fascinating.